A tweet by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become the most retweeted one in politics in the year 2020. The microblogging platform has revealed in its year-ender blog. It was a collage of 4 photos where Modi could be seen lighting diyas. The Prime Minister posted it on April 5th at 9:34 pm. So far, the post has 106.8 thousand retweets, 11.8 thousand quote tweets, and 513.5 thousand likes. In 2020, this became the most retweeted post by a politician in India. During his 9 pm 9 minutes public address, Prime Minister Narendra Modi requested people of India to light lamps from the safety of their homes as a symbolic gesture of solidarity towards one another. This tweet became the most retweeted tweet by a politician. 1.5 weeks into the COVID-19 induced nationwide lockdown imposed on March 25th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had urged countrymen to switch off the lights in their homes and instead light diyas candles for 9 minutes at 9 pm on April 5th. Along with photos, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote about lighting the lamps of hope and good health. In its hashtag This Happened 2020 Look Back series, Twitter found the golden tweets of 2020 in various segments like entertainment, sports, business and politics, etc. The time period Twitter considered is from January 1 to November 15. Tamil actor Vijay's selfie with his fan in Neyveli in February is the most retweeted tweet across all segments. In sports, Mahendra Singh Dhoni's tweet expressing appreciation for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's letter dated August 19 is the most retweeted post. In business, Ratan Tata's tweet on March 28 pledging support to communities affected by COVID-19 garnered maximum retweets. The most liked tweet of 2020 is the one where Virat Kohli tweeted about Anushka Sharma's pregnancy on August 27th. Needless to say, hashtag COVID-19 dominated this year with people on Twitter seeking reliable information, connecting with experts, and following what was happening in real time. The conversation on the service revolved around multiple coronavirus-related topics, including the critical need to hashtag wear a mask. Within the larger conversation about COVID-19, hashtags were promptly included hashtag coronavirus, hashtag Janta curfew, as well as those that encouraged people to hashtag stay home, stay safe, and maintain hashtag social distancing. Other popular topics of conversation included the adverse impact on migrant workers as well as gratitude for healthcare professionals across the country, Twitter wrote in its blog.